Bonjour and good morning. I am in Argelès-Port and I'm actually going to do something a bit different today. I heard about it. I'm not sure if I'll like it. It's going to be a bit funny for us cyclists, but I think it's called a walk. Strange name, but I'm going to follow this path, the Sentier Littoral, which runs all the way from Monaco to the Spanish coastline, where I was yesterday on my bike. So I'll follow this path a little bit. This is Port Racou, a little beach resort place, and hopefully after this place it will become more interesting. Should be some rugged coastlines and what have you. So we'll see how it is, and well, might just well join me. See you later. Busy business here. Oh well. That's pretty deep. I thought I would be the only one. It's a Tuesday morning after all, but nope, plenty of peeps around, but oh well, I can understand. It is really super beautiful here. Wow. Actually harder than I thought it was. This what was it called again? Walking, I think. Who would have known? As you can see, there's a military camp here in Collioure. There's still some military presence here because there were quite a few skirmishes between Spain and France in the last, well, 1,000 years or so, I would imagine. Actually, Collioure has been part of the Kingdom of Mallorca, I believe, in the most part of the Middle Ages, and only became truly French under probably Louis XIV. I'm not sure which king did that, but anyways. And it's nowadays very, very famous because of the many artists that took residence there, and particularly the I'm not sure if that's the English term, Fauvism, the likes of Picasso and Matisse and Braque. Those kinds of painters came here and did quite a bit of beautiful work. And I do believe, if I remember correctly, because I've been here once before, that there's a street with a few commemorative plaques and information, so I would suggest that we check them out for more information. Entrée de Reims. It's easy to see how people get inspired by this. This is lovely. Despite the lack of sunshine today, absolutely lovely.
Shall I remove it?
No, il n'y a pas de souci. Lovely, all these flowers everywhere. Really super cool. These stairs go up to a super good restaurant, La Balette. It's got one Michelin star. Maybe we can actually have a sneak peek around the corner. I've had dinner there once or twice. Snobby me. Yeah, that's it. La Balette. It's not bad if you want to spend the last of your money on your holidays. Not going to, not today at least. So I'll head back into Collioure and buy some nice anniversary gifts for some of my friends, and hopefully I can find something there. I'm thinking about anchovies, as that is Collioure apparently is the capital of anchovies, at least in France. So I have to buy some of that and maybe some nice soaps or other touristy things, because that's the only drawback of this super beautiful place. It is of course a bit of a tourist trap, which you would be, you know, if you consider 99% of all other places around the coastline in France are littered with the same sort of beach resorts, towns, same architecture, absolutely hideous. At least it is to me. This is superb. This is what you want to see. At least that's what I want to see. Well, that was certainly a super nice path. I think I can get used to that walking business. If ever you're near Collioure or Argelès, I would wholeheartedly recommend it. Just be certain to be fit and flexible, because it's a rocky business. So to finish off, I'll have a nice stroll along the beach, I think. See you later. Super cool seaside houses. Nice.